What's going on, everybody? This is Justin Savage from SkipperBud's Secoy Harbor. I'm going to go through this 2022 MasterCraft XT-21 that we have on the floor here. I want to give you a few quick boat specs before we get into this walk around. Overall length of the boat about 21 and a half feet with a dry weight of 4,800 pounds and a seating capacity for 14 people. So you can really cram a lot of your friends and family in here to have a good time out on the water. Overall ballast weight, we can't forget about that, is around 2,400 pounds. So you can really weigh this boat down and dial in that wake that you're looking for, whether you're wakeboarding or surfing. So a few exterior features, lots of navy blue flake on this boat, standard Z6 tower, and the optioned BTS windshield with that navy blue inlay. So brings that color up off the side of the boat. Looks really good. It was a nice add-on for 2022 with their new windshield design. So tandem axle trailer, brakes, everything you need to get going down the road and get this thing launched in the water to have a good time. So let's work our way up through the back of the boat and inside and give you a rundown in there. All right, as we work our way into the boat here, gray sea deck leading into it, nice transom walkthrough, keep you off the cushions there. Transom remote, control your stereo from back here if you're hanging out off the back of the boat. New SurfStar system, so don't get this twisted. SurfStar is not an updated Gen 2. This isn't a completely different system. So made the jump from Lenco to Parker actuators, 3 tons of pushing pressure, very, very intuitive system to help dial in that wave better than you ever could before. So lots of nice updates to the 2022 lineup. All right, moving in, like I said, nice transom walkthrough into the boat. Some cool feel navy interior, Decadence flooring. This one has the standard 7.5-inch screen, still same intuitive system, able to adjust everything just as you would in the dual screens, just a little bit more basic. Traditional bow, lots of the blue cool feel. Acrylic walk-through door, as I said before, 14 people capacity. Nice walk-through here. Reverse seating. A lot of real estate inside this 21-foot boat. Tons of storage. Deep storage. Storage that runs throughout the entire port side here, all the way to the bow. Fit your skis in there. New cell phone holders. Easy folding tower. Bimini surf sleeves. Keep those expensive hand-shaped boards out of the sun. All right, guys, that was the walkthrough of this 2022 MasterCraft XT-21 that we have here sitting in the floor at our location on the Chain of Lakes in Antioch, Illinois. If you guys are in the market for a boat this summer, this is in stock, ready to be delivered in spring. Give me a shout. I'll happy to answer any questions, show you the boat in person. My name is Justin here at SkipperBud's Secoy Harbor. Thanks.